In this video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Samsung Keyboard 30500. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. There are two major steps that you need to follow in order to power on this keyboard. Of course, make sure that the power switch has been set into the on position. Before this, also load it up with the necessary amount of batteries. So there should be a battery compartment at the back that you can open. Open the battery compartment and insert the batteries in there. Once you have loaded it with the necessary amount of batteries, then it comes down to the power switch like I've mentioned. So toggle it towards this side here. Once it is toggled properly, you will see the green background indicating that it is set into the on position. Now, to actually pair up the keyboard with different devices, hold down on either F7, F8, or F9. This keyboard is designed to be connected over Bluetooth, and it can be connected simultaneously with up to 3 devices. So you can assign one device to each of these keys. You can have it connected to a PC on the first one, for example, your phone on the second, and then a tablet on the last one. It doesn't matter, just press and hold either F7, F8, or F9. If the keyboard is not powering on, first I would double check the batteries that you are using, so open the batteries compartments again, make sure that it is properly inserted, that it is making contact, and if everything seems okay, you can close it down and then try resetting the power switch again. So set it to the off position and then on once more. The LED should flash indicating that the keyboard is now ready to be paired. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.